Assalamualaikum. I am Ainoor Naveed and today we are also doing Hour of Code but lecture 4. We are going to not do dance party nor code with El Sarana. We are going to do the Grinch game. So let's go. We're gonna type over here, type Grinch. Over here it will come the Grinch. Click it and click start. Then this will come. You have to click begin now. Lesson 1. It's time for us to save Christmas. You've got to capture all the presents to deliver back to while. Let's use an algorithm to program our drone to move forward one block to pick up some presents. Okay. Remote abduction drone. ID. Move right. Okay. When run, move right and run. Well done. Great job. Next. Lesson 2. Excellent. Now let's fly the drone a bit more over to the right to pick up the presents laying around in the snow over there. Okay. Now it will, if I put only one move right, it will only move till here. We'll put 2 and to make it move to the second block. Run. Well done. Great job. Next. Lesson 3. Great. The drone is doing an awesome job picking up presents. Let's pick up some more around here, but be careful. Avoid flying your drone into the trees. Okay. So we'll do drone move right. I'm gonna switch this with up and then again right. Let's see how it works. Right, up, right. Well done! Great job! Next level. Lesson 4. We've got our first couple of presents, Max. Let's keep flying around to pick up the rest. Avoid flying the drone into the trees. Okay. Let's see. Right, up, right, right, down. Gonna do down and that's it. Run. Well done. Great job. Lesson 5. We're often picking up the presents at the top of the mountain, Max. Let's keep flying around to pick up the rest. Okay. Let's see. Ooh. Down. Then we're gonna do another down. Another down and a right and then another right and then an up. See? Run. Let's run it. It's doing so good. It's very nice. Well done. Great job. Continuing. Lesson 6. Alright, we've got most of the presents at the top of the mountain. Time to hop in the sleigh and test the controls. Let's move forward to pick up those presents over there. Okay. Fastly leaping over all the floors. Slow down. Speed up, slow down and jump. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna do first when right arrow pressed, we're gonna speed up. Okay, so that's it. Run. I'm gonna press the right arrow. Well done. Great job. Great. Now that we've got the sled moving, let's test out the jumping system. Let's program the sleigh to jump. Okay. Okay. When up arrow press, speed up. No, when right arrow press, speed up. When up arrow pressed, we're gonna jump. And when down arrow pressed, we're gonna slow down. Let's run. Oh man, you didn't complete all the objectives. Better luck next time. Let's retry. Okay, we're gonna run it. Let's hop over the reindeers and pick up Max. Make sure to slow down to a stop after picking up Max. Okay, let's try that. I'm gonna show you the quote. Okay. When down arrow pressed, we're gonna slow down. I think it's already done, but I'm gonna see. It's not scrolling down, so yeah. Here. And run. Oops. Let's try again. Oh man. Oh great. Again? Oh no. They're gonna run it again. We're gonna keep trying. Run. Oh man. Let's retry. Run. Oh man, you didn't stop in time. Let's do that again. Run. Oh man, we don't stop in time. Let's try that again. Run. Well done. Great job. You slowed down to a stop. After trying, we did it. Lesson 9. Great. The test went amazing. Now it's time to start going downhill. Let's try to jump over some trees. Okay. When up arrow pressed, we're gonna jump. When right arrow pressed, we're gonna speed up. And when left arrow pressed, we're gonna slow down. I'm gonna do it down arrow. Okay. And run. Oh man. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Again. Run. Wait. Well done. Great job. Lesson 10. Awesome. You got the sleigh to work. But now we've got to deal with those reindeer. Let's get Max to bark them away. Okay. Alarming reindeers far away. ARF. Max bark. Okay. So to make Max bark, we're gonna use the left arrow. What about space? Yeah, we're gonna use the space key because it's different from all of them. We're gonna hold it and yeah. Let's play. And run. Wait. Let's go. Oops. And run. Well done, great job. In today's lecture, we'll only be doing 10 levels of the Grinch game. Inshallah, in the next lesson, we'll be doing the remaining. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Allah Hafiz.